I need to tell you some shocking news. Everything traditional medicine tries to do to help you reduce your cholesterol could be making your heart weaker. Think about it for a second. All the advice and technology that the mainstream medical establishment has been prescribing you to cut your cholesterol is actually slowly weakening your heart to the point where cholesterol could be the least of your problems. I'm not trying to scare you. Far from it. In fact, I want to put your mind at ease, because what I've discovered is a better way that won't weaken your heart, but could help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels and keep your heart strong in the process. You see, groundbreaking research from Harvard, the Mayo Clinic, and the National Institute of Health reveals a new approach that can help you boost your heart in a whole new way. In this presentation, you'll discover how this new breakthrough can help you cut your risk of a heart attack, strengthen your heart, boost your energy, reverse the side effects of drugs, and much more. It all starts with understanding the big heart health mistake. Keeping your heart healthy is the single best thing you can do for a long and active life. This isn't a new concept by any stretch. However, most traditional doctors are making a big mistake in the method they choose to try and support their patients' hearts. That mistake? The prescribing of some potentially dangerous cholesterol and blood pressure drugs. Because of some of the well-documented side effects and other issues associated with these drugs, those taking them thinking they're doing the right thing in strengthening their heart could actually be weakening their heart. But it gets worse. While these drugs are weakening your heart, no one is telling these patients how to strengthen their hearts. It's been shown that increasing the strength of the heart is key to good health. Yet for some reason, conventional cardiologists virtually ignore the need to strengthen your heart's muscle function until it's too late. Usually they do this only after you've had heart surgery or when your heart muscle is so weak that your quality of life begins to suffer. And that's tragic because heart muscle is a distinct type of muscle. It's very different from the smooth muscles in your blood vessels. The key difference is that your heart is the hardest working muscle in your body. Did you know it beats 100,000 times every single day? And it pumps some 1,900 gallons of blood through you every 24 hours. It never gets a minute of rest. So it's no wonder that your heart needs abundant energy and strengthening. And that's why understanding how your body creates energy is the key to keeping your heart healthy and strong your whole life. Here's a fact for you. More than 2,200 Americans die of cardiovascular disease each day. That's one death every 39 seconds according to the American Heart Association. Heart disease will claim the lives of some 600,000 Americans this year. And here's another fact. Americans spend nearly $20 billion every year on cholesterol drugs, plus billions more on blood pressure pills, blood thinners, and other cardiovascular drugs. Yet despite all this, heart disease remains the #1 cause of death. So let me fill you in on the shocking cholesterol controversy. There are drugs called statins, and they're widely prescribed to help people maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Statin drugs work by blocking an enzyme in your liver that makes cholesterol. But guess what? The same enzyme process also makes coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, a critical vitamin-like substance your body needs to make energy. So taking statin drugs dramatically decreases both your body's own natural levels of CoQ10 and your cell's ability to make energy. Lower CoQ10 levels then weaken the cells of your heart muscle and hurt the energy levels in cells throughout your body. According to CoQ10 pioneer Dr. Peter Langevin, all statin drugs block the biosynthesis of both cholesterol and CoQ10, which explains statins' common side effects of fatigue, muscle pain, muscle weakness, and a worsening of heart functioning. The statin drugs could be wreaking havoc on your heart muscle. In fact, negative side effects of statin drugs have been reported in nearly 900 clinical studies. In a study published in the American Journal of Cardiovascular Drugs, University of California researchers identified nearly 900 studies that documented the harmful side effects of statin drugs. In fact, the side effects of statins related to CoQ10 deficiency are so severe that drug labeling in Canada explicitly warns patients of CoQ10 depletion as a side effect of statin drugs. The labeling notes that CoQ10 deficiency could lead to impaired cardiac function. So it was meant to help you, could actually be making you sicker and weaker. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Another clinical study published in the American Journal of Cardiology showed that heart muscle weakness occurred in 70% of previously normal patients who took a leading statin drug for 6 months. But with all this doom and gloom, there is some good news. This heart muscle weakness was reversible with the nutrients I will reveal to you in a minute. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Victor Marchioni, and I see many patients who've been diligently maintaining healthy cholesterol and blood pressure levels. But as you've seen, the side effects of the drugs they were using were making their hearts weaker. As a board-certified physician and editor of the Food Doctor newsletter, I know both sides of the story, the prescription drugs and the natural solutions. And let me tell you that many of my patients are getting excellent results with the natural solutions I will reveal to you right now. You need good circulatory health and you need to boost the performance of your heart muscle. I'll show you the natural ways to get both at the same time. And unlike prescription drugs, these natural secrets have no unpleasant or dangerous side effects. They strengthen your heart health and boost your overall health in many ways. So let me now introduce you to the 6 natural secrets to strengthen your heart and cut your risk of heart attack. Sadly, for many people with heart disease, their first symptom is when they experience a fatal heart attack. But I want to set your mind at ease that this doesn't have to happen to you. There are 6 powerful natural ways to improve your heart functioning, boost your circulation, improve your cholesterol, support healthy blood pressure, have more energy, and much, much more. And having a healthy heart can dramatically slash your risk of a heart attack. It all starts with heart health secret number 1, reinvigorate your heart with more energy. Your heart depends on receiving an abundant supply of energy. One natural substance is critical to how your cells make energy. It's CoQ10. This remarkable nutrient protects and nurtures the energy centers in your cells. Your body produces it naturally, and it's 5,000 times more concentrated in your heart than anywhere else in your body. Researchers at Columbia University Medical Center in New York City showed that taking CoQ10 could help deficient cells double their energy levels. Cells of people who took CoQ10 had twice the levels of ATP, an essential measure of cellular energy. Unfortunately, your CoQ10 levels drop as you age. By age 70, your cells might have just a fraction of the CoQ10 that they did when you were in your 20s. What's more, CoQ10 deficiencies are common in people with heart issues. Research at the University of Texas at Austin shows that as many as 75% of patients with weak hearts have severe deficiencies of CoQ10. Hundreds of clinical studies have shown remarkable results of CoQ10. Double-blind placebo-controlled studies, the gold standard of medical research, shows that CoQ10 can boost weak hearts in 85% of patients. In one study, 4,143 patients with weak heart muscles took 100 milligrams of CoQ10 daily besides their conventional medical program. 85% of these patients improved by 1 or 2 levels on the New York Heart Association scale, such as rising from a severe level to a moderate or even mild level. But CoQ10's benefits go beyond boosting your heart's strength and energy. This remarkable nutrient could also give you vital protection from dangerous cholesterol. You know that LDL is the unhealthy form of cholesterol, but there's an even worse form called oxidized LDL. Oxidized LDL causes free radical damage and inflammation in your arteries, but CoQ10 has remarkable antioxidant properties that neutralize this oxidation and protect your arteries. This has been documented in clinical research showing that CoQ10 sharply decreased the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Statin drugs, on the other hand, are shown to actually increase the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. This is because these drugs reduce CoQ10 levels and the natural antioxidant protection that CoQ10 provides. You've probably heard that healthy cholesterol depends on having a good balance of heart-healthy HDL. CoQ10 can also help you increase levels of healthy HDL cholesterol and lower your total cholesterol. In another clinical study, patients who took 100 milligrams of CoQ10 for 10 weeks had significantly healthier cholesterol levels. CoQ10 is a fat-soluble nutrient. This means it should be taken with other fats for your body to properly absorb it. The best way to do that is by combining it with fish oil, vitamin E, and bioperin. It reaches your cells faster, and your body utilizes it better. Many types of ordinary CoQ10 don't include these other key nutrients. But I'd like to introduce you to Heart Rescue, the latest formula from Bel Marra Nutritionals that's been created specifically to support cardiovascular health and maintain proper heart muscle function. Heart Rescue gives you a full 100 milligrams of CoQ10. the same amount used in many of the clinical studies. You also get a unique form of supercharged CoQ10 to dramatically boost cellular energy in your heart, your brain, your muscles, and throughout your body. So let's move on to heart health secret number 2, nature's amazing artery protector. One natural substance has been studied in more than 10,000 clinical trials, making it one of the most researched substances in all of modern medicine. It's omega-3 fish oil. It helps solve the many health concerns related to chronic inflammation. Many leading scientists believe that chronic inflammation, not high cholesterol levels, is the root cause of heart disease. A study by researchers at Harvard Medical School shows that the beneficial omega-3s in fish can slash your danger of sudden death by heart attack by more than half just by eating fish once a week. Another study by Harvard researchers concludes that low levels of omega-3s shortens the lifespan of up to 100,000 Americans every year. The Mayo Clinic reports omega-3 fatty acids may decrease triglycerides, lower blood pressure, reduce blood clotting, boost immunity, and improve joint stiffness. Omega-3 fatty acids appear to reduce the risk of heart disease, particularly sudden cardiac death. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration says research shows that consumption of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Amazingly, this one single nutrient can cut your risk of cardiac arrest in half. A study published in the Journal of American Medical Association showed that people who consume 5.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids per month have half the risk of serious heart incidents. People who consumed higher levels of omega-3s could reduce their risk by 70%. In the American Heart Association journal Circulation, researchers marveled at omega-3's amazing ability to reduce arrhythmia of the heart, prevent heart attacks, slow the growth of plaque in your arteries, reduce inflammation, relax and open your blood vessels, and support healthy blood pressure. Research shows that omega-3s, like those found in Heart Rescue, could also help you maintain better blood flow. Omega-3s are shown to prevent the stickiness in your blood that can hurt healthy circulation. Clinical research shows that 1 gram per day of omega-3s significantly decreases thrombin formation and oxidative stress. Healthy triglyceride levels. Omega-3s can help cleanse your blood of hazardous fats and cut triglyceride levels by 25 to 30%. It can also improve HDL cholesterol. Study shows that 3 to 4 grams per day of omega-3s can help support a healthy cholesterol balance by raising your level of heart-protecting HDL cholesterol. The results I see in my medical practice show me beyond doubt that omega-3s are critical for a healthy heart, clear-flowing arteries, and many other vital health benefits. Unlike some fish oils, the fish oil used in Heart Rescue is purified and guaranteed free of contaminants. Plus, Heart Rescue's fish oil is a concentrated, refined, and pure omega oil that's certified to be 30% EPA and 20% DHA. Most omega-3 oils are only 18% EPA or 12% DHA, but each serving of Heart Rescue gives you 500 milligrams per day of high-quality EPA and DHA, exactly what the American Heart Association recommends for a daily dose. Moving on to heart health secret number 3, the German cardiotonic that re-energizes your heart. Did you know that people have used the hawthorn plant to strengthen weak or tired hearts as far back as the 1st century? Today, clinical research shows that hawthorn has remarkable powers to reinvigorate your heart and help you maintain healthy circulation and blood flow. Hawthorn is routinely prescribed by medical doctors in Germany. The German government has an agency called Commission E, which produces official guidance for doctors on the most effective natural remedies and how to use them. Commission E has endorsed hawthorn as a powerful way to revitalize weak hearts. The official publication on hawthorn proclaims that it's remarkably effective for strengthening heart contractions, supporting healthy blood pressure, and improving heart capacity. The German Ministry of Health has approved the use of extracts of hawthorn for patients with weak hearts. It also commissioned a 4-year study of hawthorn that showed hawthorn increases circulation throughout the body. Hawthorn is shown to help open the arteries that supply the heart muscle with blood, oxygen, and nutrients. This helps reverse one of the most common causes of heart issues, lack of blood flow to the heart. Opening your arteries also helps lower the peripheral vascular resistance in the arteries found around your heart. This helps reduce the workload on your heart while keeping your blood flow and oxygen levels higher. Hawthorn also improves the ability of your heart muscle to contract and contributes to a stronger, more efficient heartbeat. This boosts your heart's ability to pump blood out of its chambers and throughout your body. Medical studies show how Hawthorn can improve your heart's ability to pump more blood at lower blood pressure. It helps make your heart more responsive while steadying your heartbeat and helping it maintain normal rhythms. There's still more though. Hawthorn helps widen your blood vessels, which improves blood flow and supports healthy blood pressure. Its ability to support healthy blood pressure was documented in a double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical study. Patients who took Hawthorn were shown to maintain healthier blood pressure levels compared with those who took a placebo. But please, don't accept just any species of Hawthorn if you want the results in the clinical studies. Some other species of Hawthorn have shown no evidence that they benefit heart health. Based on the strong research behind it, the Hawthorn species Cretaceous levigata was the clear choice to include in Heart Rescue. Besides having the ideal species, Heart Rescue also contains the Hawthorn flowers, the part of the plant used in the research studies. Many other formulas use Hawthorn berries or leaves, which lack the heart-boosting nutrients. And that's why Heart Rescue gives you 180 milligrams of a powerful Hawthorn extract, standardized for potency. Moving on to heart health secret number 4, the miracle heart mineral that reduces dangerous calcium buildup in your arteries. When it comes to heart health, one mineral is supreme. It's critical for hundreds of different bodily processes, and it's especially vital for your heart. It's magnesium, the miracle heart mineral. Magnesium helps reduce the buildup of dangerous calcium in your arteries. It boosts the vitality of your heart cells and can balance your heart rhythms. What's more, it improves the tone of your blood vessels, protects your heart cells from oxidation by harmful free radicals, and prevents your blood cells from clumping together. Studies estimate that the magnesium content in our food has plummeted more than 50% during the 20th century. A staggering 68% of Americans don't get their recommended daily intake of magnesium, according to the study by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. The study also showed that 19% of Americans don't even get half of the government's recommended daily intake. Low magnesium is an even greater problem for seniors because magnesium absorption decreases with age. Because magnesium is crucial for so many different functions in your body, a deficiency of this mineral causes a wide range of symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, backaches, insomnia, anxiety and restlessness, constipation, high blood pressure, muscle tension, spasms, twitches, and soreness, difficulty swallowing, chest tightness and breathing difficulties, and heart palpitations. The Harvard Health Letter reports that magnesium helps the heart keep its metal, notes the mineral's vital role in maintaining your heart's electrical properties. The National Institutes of Health reports that magnesium keeps your heart rhythm steady, promotes normal blood pressure, and is involved in energy metabolism. Researchers at UCLA School of Medicine did a double-blind, placebo-controlled trial of heart patients who took oral magnesium. They found that magnesium helps maintain healthy circulation. Another study reported that magnesium improves the functioning of blood vessels and stops blood cells from clumping together in ways that harm healthy circulation. The researchers conclude that magnesium is a cardioprotective agent in heart patients with promising results. The National Institutes of Health reports epidemiologic evidence suggests that magnesium may play an important role in regulating blood pressure. The NIH also notes that both magnesium content of a dietary supplement and its bioavailability contribute to its ability to restore deficient levels of magnesium. And that's why I included a special form of magnesium in Heart Rescue. But you should know that all forms of magnesium are not created equal. Many companies use magnesium oxide in their products. Why? Well, for two reasons. First, it's the cheapest form, and second, magnesium oxide contains more elemental magnesium than any other form. But although magnesium oxide has a high amount of elemental magnesium, it does you little good. That's because the magnesium in magnesium oxide is nearly impossible for your body to absorb. Scientific studies have shown that magnesium oxide has no benefit for increasing magnesium levels. 300 milligrams of magnesium oxide taken daily for 60 days has no effect at all. The problems with magnesium oxide do not end there. Since it's not absorbed, it actually acts as a laxative. I haven't told you about the worst aspect of magnesium oxide. In the stomach, magnesium oxide reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide can neutralize stomach acids, causing stomach and digestion issues. It's highly alkaline, so not only does it neutralize stomach acid, it can actually burn the intestinal walls. That's why we use magnesium citrate in heart rescue. Research shows that it's easily absorbed by your body and doesn't turn into magnesium hydroxide. This gives you the health benefits magnesium can provide without the damaging effects of magnesium oxide. Let's move on to heart health secret number 5, the amazing nutrient that helps boost your heart's muscle function. One nutrient has remarkable powers to energize your heart, support healthy blood pressure, and improve your overall health. Researchers note that this nutrient is so powerful that it works like a hormone in the body, and it's safe and natural. Clinical research shows that this nutrient helps people live longer and keep their hearts healthy longer. In fact, a recent study by Oxford University shows that it can actually switch on 229 different genes that improve your health. The nutrient is cholecalciferol, otherwise known as vitamin D3. You probably know about vitamin D's power to support healthy bones. But what's less well known is the key role that vitamin D3 plays in supporting your heart muscle and healthy blood flow. Recent research has shown that vitamin D plays a critical role in the functioning of individual muscle cells. After all, your heart's muscle's critical job is to contract in order to pump blood throughout your body. Research shows that vitamin D is vital for supporting healthy muscle cell contractions. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology measured the vitamin D levels of 554 people and assessed their blood flow and artery health. Those with deficiencies in vitamin D had much stiffer arteries and poor blood flow. Research also shows that people with low vitamin D levels have decreased muscle strength. That's why vitamin D can support the strength of your heart muscle. Yet, a study reported in Scientific American magazine showed that 75% of all Americans are vitamin D deficient. Chances are you've taken vitamin D in a multivitamin, but you're probably getting the wrong form and in inadequate amounts. A new study shows that the U.S. government's minimum daily requirement of 400 international units is woefully inadequate. What's more, the traditional form, vitamin D2, is far less effective than other forms of vitamin D. That's why new Heart Rescue contains cholecalciferol, the newer type of vitamin D that numerous medical studies have shown to be 300% more powerful than the common form of vitamin D. Just look at all these health benefits confirmed in medical studies. Proper levels of vitamin D are shown to help you maintain healthy blood pressure. Research shows that people who don't get enough vitamin D are at an increased risk of unhealthy blood pressure. It also improves brain and memory health. In clinical tests, people with low vitamin D levels were 60% more likely to suffer significant mental decline. How about immune health? Vitamin D increases the activity of your immune cells. That's why it's vital for your heart and your overall health that you get a good supply of vitamin D each day. Every daily serving of Heart Rescue gives you 200 international units of vitamin D3, the most effective form. Finally, I'd like to tell you about heart health secret number 6, the heart health hero. You know that LDL cholesterol is an enemy of your heart, but many researchers now believe oxidized LDL cholesterol is the real foe. The oxidized LDL cholesterol is believed to cause dangerous inflammation. When it comes to stopping oxidation, large medical studies have documented impressive results for this next heart health hero, vitamin E. The National Institutes of Health report that vitamin E helps protect the delicate linings of the arteries and makes them better able to resist the buildup that can harm healthy circulation. It helps open your blood vessels and stops blood cells from clumping together. Researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health surveyed 39,910 U.S. male health professionals ages 40 to 75 who had healthy hearts and normal cholesterol. The study examined their intake of vitamin C, carotene, vitamin E, and other nutrients. During 4 years of follow-up, researchers documented 667 cases of heart issues. The study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, showed that the men who took vitamin E had 37% less incidence of heart issues. Another study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that vitamin E is a highly potent inhibitor of LDL oxidation. It cut cholesterol oxidation by 52%, more than 300% better than vitamin C. And in yet another study, scientists examined vitamin E levels in the artery thickness of 1,187 men and women. The research found that people with higher vitamin E levels had less oxidation and less buildup in their arteries. Research shows that natural vitamin E is far more effective than synthetic types. A study published in Molecular Aspect of Medicine shows that alpha tocopherol is the form of vitamin E that is best absorbed and utilized in the human body. That's why you should never buy any vitamin E supplement with the letters DL instead of just D in the description. Synthetic vitamin E is often labeled with terms such as DL-alpha tocopherol acetate. Your body simply can't utilize this synthetic form well. Heart Rescue gives you D-alpha tocopherol succinate, the natural form that I recommend to my patients. So now you know the 6 natural heart health secrets: CoQ10, omega-3 fish oil, hawthorn extract, magnesium citrate, vitamin D3, and vitamin E. And of course, by now, you know that you can get all these nutrients in one simple-to-take formula called Heart Rescue. Plus, Heart Rescue includes BioPerine, which increases CoQ10 absorption by 30%, making Heart Rescue even more valuable to maintaining a healthy heart. Heart Rescue is a unique natural formula that can help you strengthen your heart, support healthy blood pressure, maintain healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels, revitalize your energy, and support your overall health. You get the concentrated, highly bioavailable forms of nutrients in the same precise dosages I use in my medical practice. There are the ingredients shown to work in clinical studies at Harvard, NIH, Columbia, the Mayo Clinic, and other leading research institutions. And now they're all available in one easy-to-take formula. Here's a recap of why it's time to swap your fish oil and CoQ10 supplements for the new Heart Rescue. It's a unique formula. Heart Rescue gives you a special combination of omega-3 fish oil with CoQ10, magnesium, hawthorn extract, BioPerine, and vitamins D3 and E. It's a unique combination of clinically tested ingredients that can't be found in any other supplement. It has superb purity and concentration. You get highly concentrated and contamination-free fish oil. It has double the DHA and EPA of other brands and exceeds international standards for purity by 2,200%. It includes more heart protective nutrients. Heart Rescue's formula of ultra-pure omega-3s and supercharged CoQ10 gives you superior forms of these two vitally important nutrients for cardiovascular health. How about extra muscle support? This powerful synergistic formula includes magnesium in the most beneficial form to help your heart maintain its non-stop energy and rhythm. It contains potent antioxidants. The combination of vitamin E and BioPerine and CoQ10 neutralizes free radicals and prevents them from wreaking havoc on your health. It's bioavailable. You get a highly bioavailable form of CoQ10 that's supercharged by BioPerine, which increases CoQ10 bioavailability by 30%. These nutrients are combined in a soft gel capsule to further boost absorption. Heart Rescue also gives you convenience. You save yourself from having to take pill after pill to support your heart health. Heart Rescue makes it easy to get many of the world's most powerful and important heart-protecting nutrients in one small and easy-to-swallow soft gel. Plus, it's available without a prescription, and it's a great value for the money. Stop buying your supplements separately. You get a high-purity omega-3s, CoQ10, magnesium, hawthorn, vitamin E, and vitamin D all in one soft gel. This can save you over $42 every month compared with what you'd pay for these supplements separately. Plus, it's a more powerful combination. By combining these supplements in one formula, they actually work better together than if you took them separately. So accept our introductory offer and try this new formula for yourself. If you're not 100% delighted, just return the unused portion and you'll receive a full refund of every penny you've paid, no questions asked. Plus, just for trying Heart Rescue, I want to send you 3 special gifts with my compliments. Free report number 1 is called Rescue Your Heart, a complete guide to heart health. Don't wait to begin a heart smart lifestyle. There's simple ways you can boost your cardiovascular health and dramatically increase your odds for a long and healthy life. This special report will show you how to maintain healthy blood pressure, control your cholesterol with foods, avoid bad fats, maintain healthy blood flow, support healthy arteries, repair your DNA with a delicious drink, burn away fat, eat delicious, heart-healthy meals. This report has a $9.95 value, but when you try Heart Rescue today, it's yours free. Free report number 2 are new discoveries that can save your life. Heart disease is the #1 killer. but new breakthroughs are increasing your odds. This report covers groundbreaking scientific and medical discoveries that will help keep your heart healthy your whole life. In this special report, you'll discover the new cholesterol test. This test measures a little protein molecule that's even nastier form of cholesterol. The heart glucose connection. This test will reveal if blood sugar may be increasing your heart risk even if you don't have diabetes. 7 stress-busting secrets. Here are 7 simple ways to soothe away your stress. 2 foods that banish belly fat. Studies show that these 2 delicious foods help eliminate belly fat. The candy that reduces blood clots. This delicious treat has blood-thinning abilities comparable to aspirin. Instead of popping an aspirin, just indulge in this. And the shocking link between migraine headaches and heart attacks. If you're having headaches, here's what you need to know. This report has a $9.95 value, but when you try Heart Rescue today, it's also yours for free. Free report number 3, heart health and the importance of omega-3s. Omega-3s are a miracle for your heart and your entire body. Scientific research is confirming their power to help you revitalize your health in many ways. This special report will show you how you can use this remarkable natural wonder to boost your memory, support healthy cholesterol, banish the blues, avoid the hazards of cholesterol drugs, boost your immune system, maintain healthy blood pressure, and reduce inflammation and pain. This report also has a $9.95 value, but when you try Heart Rescue today, it's yours for free. Along with these 3 gifts and my 100% satisfaction guarantee, you also get my pledge of quality. Heart Rescue is manufactured in a government-regulated facility. All the ingredients used are certified safe from the manufacturer. I take quality very seriously and don't compromise on the process or ingredients. I never have, and I never will. Heart Rescue is normally $49.95. That's for 1 bottle, which is equal to 1 month's supply. But through this special offer, you can get Heart Rescue for much less than that. If you order a 3-month supply, not only will you receive the 3 free reports I just mentioned, but you'll also pay only $99.95. That works out to $33.32 per bottle. Plus you get free shipping, another $8.95 in savings. But it gets better. Order a 6-month supply today for only $179.95. That includes all the free reports and the free shipping, and the lowest price per bottle, only $29.99. And remember, that 30-day risk-free trial guarantee is good for all these offers. If you're not 100% satisfied, send everything back within 30 days, and we'll send you a full refund. And the free gifts? They're yours to keep as my personal thank you for trying Heart Rescue. Your heart is that beating muscle that is keeping you alive right now. Keep it healthy, keep it strong. Try Heart Rescue today to see the benefits of maintaining a strong and healthy heart. Click the link below to order now. And I hope you enjoyed this presentation.